making cherry ripe breakfast oats. So what you need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way triple chocolate fudge protein powder. You can also use just plain chocolate if you have that at home. We're going to be using 1 tablespoon of the Happy Way cacao powder. I've got here about half a cup of pitted cherries, which are frozen. I've got 1 cup here of rolled oats. I've got about a tablespoon of date syrup, a tablespoon of desiccated coconut, and 1 cup of almond milk. Now to make this one, what I'm going to do is first add my protein powder into my shaker, shake it up until it's well combined, and then I'm going to add the rest of my ingredients into a saucepan over medium heat, and then gradually add in my milk mixture until it becomes a nice creamy consistency.